หนูมาจากมอนะคะเรียนหลักสูตรภาษาอังกฤษค่ะหรือว่า BBA นะคะก็สำหรับคลาสนี้นะคะก็มีความสุขสนุกมากๆเลยค่ะที่แบบว่าคุณได้มาให้ความรู้ในคลาสนี้นะคะทุกคนเอนจอยมากๆเลย
Okay. Hi, my name is Pung Sansela. My nickname is Ice, and I study BBA FMS in Prince of Songkla University as well. So the class today is very fun. I really enjoy the activities today and enjoy everything you have provided me. Thank you.
สวัสดีครับ My name is ผมเกตตานนท์ I am studying in BBA ASU. For the class today, the class was very fun, and as you said, it is serious but it also fun. So I really like it. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Sun.
สวัสดีค่ะชื่ออังค่ะอยู่มหาวิทยาลัยสงขลานครินทร์วิทยาเขตหัดใหญ่ค่ะ
Hello, my name is Shonipa Temani, Sim,
We are from
BBA.
Bachelor of Business Administration from Prince of Songkla University Hat Yai campus. We are studying in class of the business diversity in ASEAN. Yeah, so any comment here?
สำหรับวิชานี้นะคะเราก็รู้สึกว่าได้รับประสบการณ์จากหลายๆ guest speaker ที่เข้ามาร่วมในโครงการนี้นะคะไม่ว่าจะเป็นในวันนี้ก็แล้วแต่ค่ะทำให้เราได้รู้ความหลากหลายของวัฒนธรรมในอาเซียน
She made many class of the ASEAN classes, many foreigners who become as our guest speaker, and today is a very experiential class about the ASEAN culture.
Yeah, and we learn several experiences. We obtain so many knowledges from the lecturers and from the guest speaker, very special guest speakers. So I think we obtained a lot of experiences and a lot of aspects from another country's people. So now we think we can adapt the knowledge and the content or information to apply in our daily life and in the business aspect in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Krathong. You can call me B. And now I'm studying at North Songkla University, and in the subject of diversity in ASEAN. I think it was very beneficial for me that I will learn about cultures and learn about how people perception, their beliefs, their lifestyle, to in order to do business, yeah, for further futures.
Hi, my name is Fathasadasarupa. My name is Jenny, and I'm studying at Prince of Songkla University Higher Campus. In this class, study about the diversity in ASEAN. I feel in this class made me know about the culture among the ASEAN country and use this knowledge to adapt in my future to run business in the ASEAN country.
Hello, I'm Alia Songkla. You can call me Anne. Nowadays, I study in Prince of Songkla University. In this class, I think it's so excited because the business in ASEAN is so important in nowadays. And on this class, have the special speaker. This can have more information about diversity in ASEAN.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello, my name is Asia. I'm from Thailand. And for this activity today, I
ใช่ใช่อะไรประมาณเนี้ย
have more knowledge and recognition about how important of
ได้ไหม
diversity
ผม
and
โค้ดก็ได้
ethnicity
แบบอยากให้มีหลายๆกลุ่ม
in other countries in ASEAN.
Hello, my name is I'm from BBA Prince of Songkla
ไอ้กับโค้ดมาได้ไหมหรือว่าแบบโค้ดนั้นก็ได้แคทนะ
Thank you. Thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะ As today is our pretty much towards the end of the semester, and next week is your final exam already. So it is a good opportunity for us to have this the wrap up. The wrap up not with me, by me only, but the wrap up with the experts of the business cultural diversity in ASEAN. So it is a good opportunity that I have someone who actually can share these sessions to you guys. So today, probably it's a great wrap up, and then I would like to introduce you to Mr. Chapley. Big hand for Mr. Chapley. And Mr. Chapley has been traveled all around ASEAN countries to be a coach of communications, to train young people until adult to learn how to communicate. But definitely he experienced a lot of the diversity as well. Therefore today is great opportunity for him to share with us with his experience and the concept, the concept and how he utilized this model. And this model, how does it apply to reality, to the actual experience, nah? So big hand for Mr. Chapley. The stage is yours, yeah.
This is my second time here in Prince of Songkla University, and I feel honored to be here again, once again, to meet another set of students of born. Good. Okay, what's your answer?
For the perception, like in the video that show, like they believe on the cow, like as a god, for represent as a god of India, and for the non-verbal, they tell like people to eat with the left hand because like in the right hand they do like for something. Another
No,
thing,
right hand for eating, left hand for something.
Oh yeah, okay,
Yeah,
that
okay.
one. Then for contextual, it's like in the video have show like the trains have moving on the train on, and then people are running to jump in the train. Yeah.
What does it show? What does it show when people running to catch the train?
I think they have to run against the time maybe.
Okay. There's only answer, the three elements?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bond. Clap, Mr. Bond.
ใช่ไหมแต่ว่าต้องเป็นสิ่งที่สุภาพแขนยาวworking time
เขาต้องเขียน
have to share the rules with the new members by only using verbal communication, sign language by hand, and bond, eye contact and hand. Only that, without both of these rules, without voice at all.
Hi, I'm a new member in Blue Oval Cinema Company. My name is Krathong.
My name is Ice from Blue Ball Cinema.
My name is from Blue Oval Cinema. My name is Jane.
My name is Paul. So today we're gonna present to you the 5 rules that we have, and we use like non-verbal, like really eyes and hand. Okay, we'll start with the first one.
No voice. And your eyes. What's that? No, the movie is only 2 hours. Right, Mr. Ball. The movie is only for 2 hours. Right. No, is it right? Okay, so the meaning is? Okay, second one? No, very expensive clothes. Mr. Paul going to give it to all of them. So, what's the meaning just now? What's the meaning? Mr. Paul, what's the meaning?
Wear the proper uniform.
Right? Okay. Okay. Understand? Okay. Miss Hong.
Meditation.
Let's take up. What? Meditation? Meditation, respect. Miss Jane?
Don't copy.
Don't steal the phone. Don't
play.
Very fast.
Don't play telephone.
Playing the phone in
Don't
the
play.
work time.
No, what?
I want to playing the telephone in work time.
Is it? Agree?
Your
Bob?
phone. I will steal your phone.
Okay.
I will
Is that
steal
all?
your phone.
Okay, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
X.
Y.
Congratulations to all of you. Congratulations. Well, basically, that's all about cultural diversity in handling business, whereby you have to use all your 5 senses. All the 5 senses in making sense of the world, making sense of the business, making sense of the reality, and to uphold your own personal culture that you represent. Thank you to all of you, and I really hope that I have already shared my skills and knowledge, and I should at least all of you have learned from what I shared before. Thank you so much, and I will give over to Mr.
So, to Mr. Shebs, we are the representatives of BBA and FMS. We'd like to thank you for spending your time here. We hope you have a good time here. So we would like to give you a token of gratitude here by Mr. Few.
Thank you, Mr. Few.